Right, let's do a quick one on this sort of end of the shadier border. I mean, it is still in sun at the moment, it is mid-morning, but so I bought a cordyline superstar yesterday to replace the one that died. So we can see there's a little bit of a gap right here, and a sea of green, other than a couple of little splashes of colour here and there, just with mainly with the house plants coming out, sort of croton there, and the aglaonema there. But yeah, this is where the original superstar was. So it's just a stump, and there's definitely no regrowth on that, so I'm going to now dig that out and put the new one in. But we thought we'd try and imagine that in your mind with all the green. Now I'm going to just literally place the plant in there, and we'll see what sort of difference that make, having that sort of splash of the contrast with the different foliage type and colour. Just really does make a big difference. So let's just place that cord line in, and then we'll stand back and have a look. It's not going to be exactly where I want it, but I've got to dig out the old one. But so straight away from that sea of green to the nice glossy strappy leaves of that superstar cordyline, that really does come to life with all the green around it, and like I say, just the contrast with the foliage types. I don't think you can beat it in that sort of scenario. So that'll be my job for the morning, getting that in, digging the old one out, getting the new one in. And yeah, I mean, it's just a straight swap from what died. And again, I know these aren't as hardy as your sort of standard green cordylines, but we did have an extreme winter, and the superstar had survived 2 winters with sort of minimal damage, albeit maybe a little bit milder than usual. But I'm sure this time, if I give it a little bit of fleecing on the coldest nights when we get frost, then I'm sure that'll pull through. They are fairly tough. Right, so I'm going to get that in, and probably just do a bit of popping about and getting some other little bits in that I want to get in. Hopefully we're going to get some rain later on in the week, maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. Definitely need it. We did have some rain last Sunday week, and that was quite nice, but weren't enough. So we'll bring on as much rain as we can have. Right, no more rambling, let's just get on with the job. Thanks for watching.